What is up, guys? If you want to hide your following list just like me, as you can see here, when you click on my following, you can't see anything and you can check that by yourself by just searching my username. Now, how you can do that, guys? Very quick and simple. All you have to do, guys, is just follow these exact steps and you will be able to hide your following list. Now, if you are like me, guys, you follow some certain people and you don't want other people to see your followers, like just to see your following list, I'm sorry. So you can also do the same thing on your followers list. I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 ways, okay, 3 ways on how you can hide your following list. Like when someone clicks on it, it's not clickable. It's like celebrities, like a lot of like this person, I'm talking to this person and they are doing the same thing. As you can see, it's a silly, like they're just like a friend of Drake, if you know them. So they are doing the same thing. Now, how you can do that, guys? Very quick and simple. All you have to do, guys, is you want to click 3 little lines in the top right, and then after that, guys, you want to click on settings, and then you want to click on help. As you can see, you want to click on help, and then you want to click on report a problem. And then after that, guys, you want to toggle this on, okay? If it's off, you want to turn it on like this. Now go back, okay? Now you want to go to your following list, and then what you want to do, guys, you want to shake your phone like this, and this will pop up. You want to click on report a problem and click on include and continue, and say hi Instagram, I would like to hide my following list from everyone. This is personal. Please help. That's all you need to do, guys, and click send, okay, and wait a few hours, and then you will get back to you with a solution. Now let's say this doesn't work. There are also other ways, guys, to hide your following list. Okay, now you want to click on if you want to hide your following list from certain people. For example, I want to hide my following list, for example, from this person. Okay, I'm just going to click on 3 little dots in the top right, and then you want to click on remove a follower. Okay, click remove follower, and this person will not be able to see your following list and followers. Now the third method, guys, is to click 3 little lines in the top right, and then you want to click on settings, and then you want to click on privacy, and then you want to toggle off on private account. When you make your account private, nobody will be able to see your followers list and also your following list. This is the best way, guys, to do this. A lot of people are doing the same thing so that you can hide, but when you do that, if there is like followers on your Instagram, you have to click on remove follower if they are already on your account. If they are already on your account, just click on 3 little dots and then click remove follower if there is certain people that you already following each other and you want to hide your following list from these people. So that's exactly, guys, the best way. I have a lot of research about this, and this is really the best way. So hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this